Get ready, you're not going to believe this. A healthy sauce. With a little bit of spice and a tiny bit of lemon, this is perfect for breakfast or brunch. So if you're looking for a fresh alternative to a hollandaise sauce, well, this sauce is for you. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into an avocado hollandaise sauce. Buckle up, let's go! This is a great, healthy, quick and easy sauce to make. It's perfect for the summertime whenever you have a lot of vegetables, and it's a great, healthy alternative to a normal hollandaise sauce. Start off with half an avocado. I like to use a smoothie maker, but you can use a blender or a food processor, just whatever is easiest for you. Now it's time to add 1 full lemon, juice it. That's about 4 tablespoons or 60 milliliters. Avocado hollandaise sauce is such a fresh alternative. Put it on a tomato and lettuce vegetable sandwich. Make some spicy, cheesy scrambled eggs, pour it on top. It's absolutely delicious on an eggs benedict. Now it's time to add 3 tablespoons or 45 milliliters of water. Time to spice it up a little bit, add a little bit of a kick, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne red pepper. Add some salt to taste. I'm putting in 1/8 of a teaspoon. And last but not least, a little bit of olive oil, 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. And that's all the ingredients for the avocado hollandaise sauce. Now it's time to blend it up. And this really doesn't take that long at all. It's roughly about 1 to 2 minutes, but just blend it until it's smooth as possible. And if you're using a smoothie maker, I like to give it a couple shakes just to incorporate the sauce to make sure that it's well blended. And that's it. It's quick and easy. You can make this in under 5 minutes. It's perfect for a breakfast or a brunch. Well, thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. I hope that you enjoyed this avocado hollandaise sauce recipe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and to remember as always, to live, love, and make gravy.